Alright guys, good morning and welcome to today's Google form, which is an opportunity where you could check if you have any makeup work in the last 2 weeks. So, here's what you're going to do. First thing you're going to do is the first assignment is Module 1, Lesson 47. You are going to click the link below and go to your Homeroom tab, which is found, it says, at the bottom of the sheet. So I'm going to show you. You're going to click on this. And what you're going to do is check your homeroom. So if I slide this up, you'll see that there's bears on the bottom. It's first Yale and then USF. So first, please make sure, don't look at the list and be like, my name is not on there. Your name will be in your homeroom. Alright, so what you're going to do is for Module 1, Lesson 47, if your name is on the complete list, literally all you're going to have to do is go back to the assignment and press complete because you've already done it and it's already in the gradebook. If yours is in the missing list, what you're going to do is you're going to click your name. So if I was Jeremiah, I would click my name and it will send you straight to the Google Forms, okay? And that's where you could complete your assignment. So you are going to do this for maybe 4 assignments. I didn't want to put all missing assignments because that might be overwhelming. So right now there's only 4 assignments in here. So if you click missing, what's going to happen is you're going to click your name, and then when you complete the assignment, somewhere in the assignment you will find a code word. That's how I know that you actually did the assignment and you completed it. And what you're going to do is you're just going to type what the code word is and then move on to the next page and complete the next assignment. So if you do want to make up any other assignments, please make sure to message me. You could check PowerSchool, and I could tell you any other assignments that you have that are missing if you need to. So if you have completed almost all assignments, this will be pretty quick. All you're going to do is check each sheet and click complete. If not, then you're going to click missing and have the opportunity to boost your grade up. Any other questions, just let me know.